Good afternoon, all of you. How are you? Okay, well, so I will start third class maths first topic, which is given in your book in the form of a revision. And first question is given: write the following number in words. So like this given, first is given 26. So how can you write this? 26. Yes or no? Otherwise you can do like this. This you can write 20 plus 6, 26. Next is given, what's given? 576. So how can you write? If not able to write, you can write 500 plus 70 plus 6. So this you can write 570 what? 6. So in this we can write, you know, I think very well, smallest two-digit number is what? 10. If you can add 9 plus 1, how much? 10. 10 is the two-digit smallest number, and 99 is the two-digit greatest number. Two-digit greatest number. If you can add 1 in it, it's become 100. Yes or no? 100. And 100, how can you write? Like this, it is a three-digit smallest number. If anybody is saying to you, write 706, how can you write this? One time you can write like this. This is ones, this is tens, and this is 100. Saying how much? Saying 700. In place of 100, what's coming? 7. 106. 6 is what? 6 is a unit digit, so you can write here this. And in the form of what? Numeral in words, how can you write? 706. Easy. Like this, in your book also given like this, 720, 829. So 829. How can you write in words? So this you can write, if don't understand, 820 plus 9. And this you can write, hello. So this you can write 800. What is this? 29. So this all things given in your class. Which class? 9th class. How can you write? Second question given, write the following number in figures. That's also easily you can solve. Write the following in expanded form. Write like this given, 147. So write in expanded form. I am telling the method to write in expanded form. First digit you can write and then put finger on that digit. After that, how many digit? 2 digit. So put how many? 0. 2 0 you can put plus. Next digit is what? 4. Put the finger on both digits, and after this, how many digits? 1. Put that 0 plus, and that is 7. This is known as the expanded form of the. This is the known as the expanded form. And question number 2, one example I can tell you, 649. Like this written, 649. You have to write in numerals. 600 you can write, if don't understand, 600 plus 40 written, 40 you can write, plus 9 written, 9 you can write. Add these, this is coming 649. In this way you can write. Yes or no? Then expanded form given like this. So you can solve this revision schedule of this page number, what show it may be, and its name is what? Revision. If any problem, discuss with me. Expanded form, I will tell you how can you write 4-digit number. Like this, smallest 2-digit number is what? 100. And the greatest 3-digit number is how much? 999. 999. If you can add 1 in it, it's become 1000. What's become 1000? How many digits? 4 digits. So today I will tell you how can write 4-digit number. So 4-digit number, how can you write? First you can write 1, 10, 100, 1000. So here you can write th, 4000. Here you can write 100. Here you can write tens, and here is ones. Like this, anybody saying write 6000. So how many thousand? 6000. 6045. It's meaning 100 how much? No 100. No 100 mean how much? 0 100. 45. So 4 and 5. In this way you can write. Understood or not? Someone saying like this, 7350. 7000. It's meaning on the place of 1000 what's coming? 7000. 100 how many? 300. How much? 7340. 45. 7345. So here you can write 45. Another way of also writing, if saying 7000 you can write 7000. Then saying 300 you can write. 40 saying 40 write. Plus 5, 45. So 7345 you can write. In your revision given, what's given? Write the smallest 2-digit number, write the smallest 3-digit number in expanded form, and write the numeral of each of the following, which is the greatest and which is the smallest. Encircle the greatest number. I am telling, write the numeral of the following number. Question number 5. It's written 2 hundreds, 2 hundreds, 1 tens, 1 tens, and 7 ones. So what's coming here? 200. So write 2, or you can write like this. How can you write? 200 meaning multiply with 100, plus 1 tens into 10, plus 7 ones multiply with 1. So this is what? 200 plus 10 plus 7. So what's become? 217. You can write in this way also. 200 100 plus 100 how many? 200 plus 110 210 plus 7 217. This is also given in your revision, which is greater and which is smaller. If like this given 64 and here given 46, which is greater you have to tell. So what first count, what you can count? Digit. How many digit in it? 2 digit. Here also 2 digits. So digits of both are same. Then you can check left side digit. Here is 6 and here is 4. 6 is greater than 4. So this sign coming, it's meaning 64 is greater than 46. Like this written 99, and here is what's written 107. And you have to tell which is greater. So you can count digit. Here is how many digit? 3. And here is how many digit? 2. So here digit are more as compared to this. So this is what's coming. This sign coming in this. So easily you can decide. Easily you can solve. And you know numbers given like this: 106, 601, 160, 666, 606, and you have to tell what? Greatest from these. Greatest number from these. First you can apply which method? First you can apply this method. You can count digit. 1 digit, this is 2 digit, this is 3 digit. How many digit? 3. Here also how many digit? 1 digit, 2 digit and 3 digit. How many digit? 3 digit. In this way, all containing how many digits? 3 digits. So by this method you cannot decide. So then what you can do? You can check digit, which digit? First digits from the left side. So what you can say? So here is what? 1. Here is what? 6. Here is what? 1. Again 6 and again 6. Here 2 times 1 digit. 1 is less than 6. Its meaning digit this 106 and 160 always less than what? 601, 660 and 606. Now compare these. First digit of all are same 6. Second digit of its 0. Second one 6. Third one 0. Its meaning 0 is less than 6. So its meaning 660 is greater than what? Of these 601 and 606. Therefore what you can say? 660 is the greatest number, and you can circle this like this. In this way you can solve remaining question also. If anywhere problem, discuss with me, solve this revision. Let us recall. Tomorrow we will start next topic, solve in rough notebook, and after that in fair notebook. Thank you all of you.